everyone, it's Tammy, and I have this box full of goodies from a friend named Valerie, who sent a huge box, and I haven't opened it yet to see. This was on top, and it's just a beautiful card, so I'm going to open this, but the package was wrapped with this paper. Isn't this gorgeous? It's so pretty. So let me see what the note says really quickly. She said that she saw that I started knitting and she wanted to send me some happy mail. And a year ago she lost her niece, and she was a big crafter. And she taught herself to knit and crochet, and she quilted. And when she passed, her sister-in-law asked if she would clean out her craft room and donate what was there. Aww. And she had a lot of yarn and fabric, so she sent me some of the yarn. Oh my goodness. Valerie, thank you so very much. Oh my word, I don't even know what to say. This is so kind. I'm not kidding, guys. This box is huge, and there is a ton of yarn. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. And look how nicely it's all been handled. So here is some beautiful, like, cranberry, I don't even know, cascade it says. I was trying to see if there was like a color. It's beautiful. It's like a maroon, dark cranberry maroon color. Oh my gosh. Valerie, I am so excited, and this is so sweet of you. I can't even. It's all so nicely wrapped and everything, and this is some beautiful blue. Oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful color, and it's like pearly. Oh my gosh. Peacock. That is a peacock, yes indeed. That's gorgeous. I really like how it's kept like that. I might have to do that with my other yarns, especially if you don't get to it for a little while. Here's some beautiful pink. You guys know I love pink. This is Della Rose, it says. Look how pretty that is. And this is wool. This is merino wool. Oh my gosh. This is expensive stuff. Oh. Valerie, I'm so sorry about your niece, Robin, and golly, she must have been really good at what she did, because she clearly bought quality stuff. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful blues. Hand dyed in Chile. And it says what kind of yarn, but I can't read it. A racunia? I don't know exactly, but look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. And then here's another blue. It is lovely. This is gloss lace. So this is really, really thin, like lace yarn. Oh, that's beautiful. And it's wool and silk. There's 440 yards in here, so you can tell how extremely thin that is. But beautiful. Goodness gracious. Oh, I love this color too. This is like a dusty rose. I don't know if I'll take them all out of the packaging. I guess I should just... Oh boy, look at these purple. Well, I have to take these out. These are heavy rolls. Look at that. I've not seen anything like this. It looks like it's almost elasticy. That is super cool. Hand-dyed superwash merino wool, sport weight. indigo is the color of this one. And this one has to be some shade of purple. Isn't that beautiful? It doesn't all say the color. Seems like some of the hand-dyed ones just don't really have a color, but look at how pretty that is. And it's a little bit different. You can see it's lighter here and a little darker there. And it's even different shades right here. How pretty is that? Gosh. And I love the color purple. I love the color. I love color. So it's funny how much I love color, but I wear a lot of black and white and gray. Well, I wear a lot of black and gray. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. Look at that. It looks like it's some sort of Japanese, maybe. Oh, Chinese. It says China. It's cotton, rayon, and silk. Wow. I wish you could feel it because it's like really compact. It's like pre-washed feeling. It feels really cool. Soft, nice. And there's 4 skeins of that. And look at this pretty mustard color. Oh gosh, and she used some of this. Yay! So that's really cool. This isn't a full, oh my gosh. That takes my breath away. I'll be able to use some that she used. I don't even know her, but I feel like I'm honored, and I would have been honored to meet her. This is a camel color. That is a good color. I was calling it a mustard color, but camel is a better name. It's not quite as yellowy as mustard. It's a little more brown. Oh my goodness. I'm not even close to being done yet, guys. Look at all this beautiful yarn. I said I'm not going to take them out, and I just continue to take them out. I can't help it. I have to touch it and feel it. Gothic rose colored. Oh my goodness. And then look at this. It's a different kind of pink. Does it say a color? Petal Shower. That's a cool name. And you can see all the different colors of pink. And it is a sock yarn, which means it's a very thin yarn too. And that would make a really cute pair of socks. I love hand knitted socks. I haven't made any yet, but it's on my to-do list. Oh my gosh, I am overwhelmed. Valerie and Robin, thank you. This is beautiful too. This is a really neat color of blue. Made in Peru. It sounds like she did a lot of shopping from different countries, or I don't know, but it all seems so diverse. There's this, and there's this from Peru, and then there was that one that was really neat from somewhere else. I don't know, but I mean, this is really cool. She knew her stuff, it looks like, and she spent a lot of money on her yarn collection. Gosh, I am humbled to be able to use some of this. I don't even know what to say. Ooh, this is really nice. This is wool. Oh my goodness. And then there's these two, and look how pretty that is together. Oh my goodness. I wish I knew what she was planning on doing with them. and I would try to finish them for her. And oh my gosh, I am loving these. Loving, loving, loving these. Look at that. Happy feet, it says. Spun in Peru again. This is definitely sock yarn, so maybe that's why it says happy feet. And then here's another purple. But aren't they, I mean, together, that's just gorgeous. Okay, there are a few of these balls of yarn, which is brushed fleece. It says $13, so just one ball of yarn. Look how beautiful this is. This is so perfect. This is totally me. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. I can't thank you enough, Valerie. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh. What a lucky gal I am. This is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can pick up the different colors in here. It's like different shades of like this rosish color, but then there's like little tan spots too. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And baby alpaca. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This, look at that, 19 bucks. This feels amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you. Oh my gosh. And this is nice. It's thick, and I mean, I don't know what I'll use it for yet, but this is just amazing. And this is the color denim. Look at that sweet baby alpaca. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This feels like a cloud. And there's two of them. And look at this. Oh my word. Bamboo La La in the color Plumbago. Hand dyed in Kalamazoo, Michigan. This is beautiful. Postcards from Maui Shawl Club. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. And there's two skeins of that. I am in heaven. This is amazing. And then this is the last but not least. There are two skeins of this beautiful green. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. Golly. There's a note in here. Thanks, enjoy your yarn, Lori. I bet that Robin must have gotten something from Lori, or, you know, ordered from Lori or something, and that's just in here. How cool and special is this? Oh, I am so humbled, and I don't even have the words to tell you how I feel right now. Thank you so very much, Valerie, for thinking of me and for giving me the opportunity to use some of what is obviously precious to your niece, because this is quite the collection, and goodness gracious, I sure hope that I can do it justice. I absolutely adore it, and I will do my best to make beautiful things with them. So thank you so very much. I really don't have the words to tell you how much I appreciate this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.